Hey there! So you've finally booked your IELTS test. Big congrats! Today, I'm taking you step by step through the IELTS on Computer test journey so you'll know exactly what to expect on the test day. I understand it's a big moment for your study abroad and work-life plans, and it's very normal to feel a little nervous. But don't worry, I've got you. The IELTS on Computer is designed to be simple and stress-free, allowing you to stay relaxed and perform at your best. But hold up, before you even leave home for your IELTS test, here's a little checklist for you. Check the date, time, location before you leave for the test center. Double check if you've got your original passport with validity. It's very important to arrive at least 45 minutes before the test to check in securely and avoid the last-minute rush. It makes a big difference. Also, if you're under 18, I hope your guardians or parents' consent is already submitted online. And if you have any special requirements, you can reach out to IELTS customer service in advance so that everything is arranged and you stay focused. The test duration is 2 hours 45 minutes and has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. All of it happens at the same day. And please note that the parents or any other person accompanying the candidate will not be allowed inside the test center. So now let's go ahead. Let's head inside. Reaching early keeps you relaxed. IELTS team will greet you and you will get a secured locker to keep all your stuff. Bag, wallet, keys, cash, earphones, watch. Just switch off your phone, lock it all up and you're good to go. The only thing you can carry inside the test room is your original valid passport and the locker key. Our next stop, the registration desk. Here, they'll click your photo, scan your right index finger and match it with your booking. Basically, this is how IELTS make sure it's you at every step. Whether it's listening, reading, writing or speaking, no chances of mix-up, no chances of cheating. As you enter the test room, you need to make sure that you're not carrying anything that isn't allowed. A quick physical check, but don't worry. The administrators do this in a polite and respectful way, keeping your comfort in mind. After that, you will chill in a comfortable waiting area until your name gets called. Then, the test administrator will explain the rules, answer your questions, and if you're nervous, they will help you calm down. They're absolutely friendly and welcoming. From here, you will be escorted to the test room for your LRW. And the best part about IELTS on Computer is you get to choose your own time slot. Morning or evening, 7 days a week, whatever fits you well. So here we are, where your LRW happens. 30 minutes for listening, 60 for reading and 60 for writing. 3 out of 4 modules will happen here, while speaking will happen in a separate room. Inside the test room, you will have everything you need, keeping it a seamless experience. Every system has a privacy screen so that you get your own space without distraction. You'll be provided with paper, pen, pencil and a water bottle. For listening, which is the first module, you'll get high-quality noise cancellation headsets. Honestly, it cuts out all the distraction so that you just focus on the audio. In writing, you will see an automatic word counter and a timer on screen. So no need to count manually now. You can easily highlight the text, go back and forth and make rough notes. The test room, it's super quiet, designed to keep you calm and focused. And to ensure that you don't run out of time, we do have a wall clock and a running timer so you can keep a time check. And with CCTV monitoring every corner, it feels really safe, secure. Don't hesitate to raise your hand if you need any assistance. The invigilators will be there throughout the test if you need anything. Once you've finished, simply raise your hand and an invigilator will guide you out of the test room. After you're done with your LRW, now we come to speaking. The speaking test is super quick. It just takes 11 to 14 minutes. It can either happen before or after your LRW slot. Easy peasy. The IELTS team ensure you're never alone or lost. They're approachable, supportive and always ready to help. IELTS is absolutely designed to make you feel comfortable and the entire experience is flawless. And once you've completed all 4 modules, it's simple. Scan your finger one last time, collect your belongings from the locker and you're all set to go. That's it. Anything now that is left is your result, which typically comes in just 2 days. And even if you don't score well in a particular module or you feel you can do better, you can retake that one module with the IELTS One Skill Retake option. That means you don't have to give the entire test, just that one section you want to improve. Isn't that super cool? So yeah, show up early, stay calm and let IELTS handle the rest. You've got this. This test isn't just about English. It's the start of your global dream.